Friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest market updates and also multi-bagger tips. Now we are going to discuss about Ruji Soya Limited. Now you can see that there is a rally going on, and I forecasted this rally around 3 months back. In January, I forecasted this rally. When I was forecasting this rally, the price was around 604 rupees per share, and I forecasted 80% from that rate. It means 1250 I forecasted at that time. And I clearly in that video I have specified that the rally must happen before June 2020. June 2020. And right now we are in 2021. So right now we are in May. So we will go into that video, and I have clearly I specified either it should be in the form of bonus issue or an acquisition, because there should be some dilution should happen, and they have to dispose around 24% of the stake. So I specified the reason, so we will go into the details. So now you can see that the latest update was came that Ruji Soya is going to be taken over Patanjali Neutral Biscuit Private Limited, and the sale deal was happened on a slum sale basis on 60 crore deal. This is a small news while we are comparing to 60 crore, while we are comparing to a market capitalization of 31,000 crore market capitalization company. It's very small news, but they are creating a news to dump around 24% of the stake. So that will cost somewhere around 7,500 crore. They must do that. So I have specified the reason, so we can go into the this thing video. You can see that I have created the video on January 29th. You can see that the price was 609, and I have clearly I stated that 80 percentage there will be a rally will be there. I have clearly you can see here, and after that a fall will be there, and I have stated the reason. The fall will be up to 200 to 250 range. So when we go into the details, you can see that I stated that according to the MPS rule, they have to reduce a stake by June 21st. So sorry, June 30, they have to reduce the stake. So currently they are holding around 98% of the stake. 98.6% of the stake. They should make it 76%. So you can see in this video I have clearly I stated that they have to dispose around 23.9% of the stake, which is around 6.5 crore shares. They have to dispose or they have to dilute it, and the cost will be somewhere around. When I was making that video, it was 18,000 crore was the market capitalization. Currently it reached up to 31 1,700 crore market capitalization it reached. So according to the current value, it will be around 7,500 crore. They have to dispose it. So either it should be a institutional this thing investor, or to open market they have to dispose it. So for that reason only the rally is happening. I stated here about that rally also. While we are going to the this thing current trading pattern, you can see that there is a rally. I have made the video in January. You can see here 609 it was trading at that time. Then you can see here the rally is happening. In that video very clearly I specified it before the June. The rally will be happen. 80% rally will be happen in before the June. I have specified that. You can see here I specified that, and current rally is happening, and we currently it is trading at 1073.20 at upper circuit, on continuously upper circuit, until when the rally will happen. So the rally will happen another few more days. It will continue. If you are holding, please hold it, but don't go for any fresh buy on Ruji Soya Limited, where there will be stake disposal will be happening. So don't do that. Current news is very small, and I already told you that the current market capitalization is 31,000 crore, and they are acquiring only 60 crores company. This is only a news. They are creating a news and to dispose this. So the rally will continue up to around 1,250. Even if there is a shuffle, please don't leave the share. Please hold it. After that, once reach 1,250, just drop there, because there will be a huge fall will happen up to around 200 level. So thank you very much for watching my video. Kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest market updates and also multi-target tips. Thank you.